Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to download and install the AA app on your Windows computer. So this is also known as AA Desktop and formerly known as Origin. It's a digital distribution platform for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS, developed by Electronic Arts for purchasing and playing video games. Kung paano ba natin ito i-download or install, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on web browser. So kahit anong web browser yung gamitin natin yan sa pag-download ay pwede po siya. And then open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And dito lang sa searching address bar ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung AA app. Ayan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung Electronic Arts homepage, and then nandito yung link na download the AA app. So click mo lang yan. And madirect tayo dito sa Electronic Arts homepage. So ang next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung download the AA app. So click mo lang yan. And may dalawang option dito kung paano natin yan i-download. So installing the AA app will remove Origin from your device. So select ka lang dito kung Windows or Mac OS. Alright? So i-click lang natin dito yung Windows. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-download dito. Alright? So makikita mo dito na napakabilis lang yung pag-download, and then click mo lang yan at open lang natin. So click natin yan, and then makikita mo itong your games, your friends, your heroes, and then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung let's go. So click mo lang yan and wait natin ma-complete. Ayan, so if you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes, and wait natin na ma-complete yung downloading. And wait ulit natin na ma-complete yung installing the AA app. Ayan. So makikita mo na dito na complete na po yung downloading and installing, and nandito na yung ating apps. Alright? So ang next step dito, so open lang natin yan. So right click and click mo lang yung open. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So makikita mo dito na sign in to your AA account. So kapag may account ka na na-create, so pwede mo na itong i-sign in. So ilagay mo lang dito yung email address or AA ID, and then yung password mo. Alright? So pwede ka naman ditong mag-create ng new account kapag wala ka pang AA app account. So i-click mo lang dito sa baba yung create account. Alright? Ito siya. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to download and install the AA app in Windows 11 PC. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.